The conflict between the United States and Iran is entering a dangerously new phase, one marked by direct threats, rising retaliation, and fears of a wider regional war. In a recent national address, former US President Donald Trump issued a stark warning. He stated that American forces are now close to achieving key military objectives in the region, but made it clear that if tensions continue, Iran could face what he described as extremely heavy strikes. This statement alone has sent shockwaves through diplomatic and security circles around the world, because it signals something very serious, not de-escalation, but the possibility of escalation. At the same time, the response from Tehran was immediate and forceful. Iranian officials vowed what they called crushing and broader retaliation, not only against US positions, but also against allied interests in the region, including Israeli targets. And this is where the situation becomes even more volatile. Reports are now emerging of Iranian strikes targeting a US military base in Saudi Arabia, marking a dramatic expansion of the conflict beyond Iran's borders, if confirmed. This would represent one of the most serious escalations so far, potentially turning a bilateral conflict into a wider regional confrontation involving multiple nations and military fronts across West Asia. Tensions are rising by the hour. Military bases are on high alert, air defense systems are being activated, and global powers are closely monitoring every movement, fearing a miscalculation that could spiral out of control. The concern now is no longer just about strikes and counterstrikes. It is about what comes next, because when one side threatens heavier attacks, and the other side promises crushing retaliation, the space for diplomacy begins to shrink rapidly. Analysts warn that even a single misjudged strike could trigger a chain reaction, pulling in allies, expanding battle zones, and destabilizing key energy routes that the world depends on. Meanwhile, civilians across the region are watching in fear and uncertainty. As the possibility of prolonged conflict grows stronger, the big question now is simple, but critical. Is this pressure building toward a strategic endgame, or the beginning of a much larger war? For now, both sides are standing firm. Warnings are escalating. Retaliation threats are increasing, and the world is left waiting for the next move, because in this conflict, every decision carries consequences far beyond the battlefield, and the coming weeks could define the future of the entire region.